Hello everyone, so today I will show you how to install StarRupture, the dedicated server on an Ubuntu machine. So we will start right away with updating the system, apt-update and apt-full upgrade. Once it's completed, we will continue installing a few software packages. So we type apt-install, software, properties, common, tmux, xvfb and wine. So we will type enter, and now everything gets downloaded and installed. It takes a little bit of time, so just sit back and relax. So once completed, we will continue with adding an apt repository. So add-apt-repository, multiverse. Oh, sorry, a typo. Repository, of course. Enter, and now multiverse is added. Then the next step will be dpkg, add architecture i386. Then again apt-update for loading the new repository. And then we will install steamcmd. So apt-install steamcmd, and now we will continue. Now we will just continue agreeing those Steam licenses. So hit tab and click space. Again, we will agree. So just arrow down and tap OK with space. And then once everything went through, we can continue adding a new user. So useradd-m-s/bin-steam. Then we can set a password for that user. So you have to remember it, of course, once you need it. But for now, if we just change the user to Steam, so su-steam, then we will create a new file called update.sh. Inside here, I will just copy and paste the content. I will provide it in the video description. So for now, you just have to know we will set the Windows platform type here, and we will log in as anonymous. And also the app update is run for this app. This is the dedicated server for StarRupture. We will validate it, and then the steamcmd is quitted. So Control X, yes, enter. So everything is saved. Now we will make it executable. So we will chmod it +x update.sh. So the next thing is we will run it. So like this. The first step is it updates steamcmd. Once it's updated, it tries to install the game, but I think it will fail for now. Okay, never mind. It just continues downloading, so I will skip that for now. We will see us right there. So it's now verifying again the files. Now everything went fine and the app was fully installed. So we can continue now. We will need to get the local IP if you want to connect locally. So in order to connect to the server, we will get this IP. You have to remember it, your own IP, the local one. Then the next step is to create a start file. So nano start.sh, enter, and then also copy and paste my code from the description. and just adjust the IP you have remembered or you have noticed right now. You have to get your own IP here, your internal one. Then Control X, yes, enter. So we will also make it executable, chmod +x, start.sh, and then we will just execute it. Then we will append to it. So StarRupture tmux a-t StarRupture, and then you will see this this log file here right now. So the server is starting up. To verify, you can, or in general, to get out of tmux, you can just hit Control B and then D. So just right now, Control B and then D. And after you have get back to your normal shell, you can now check again if the service is running. So we will just type ss-titan. Now you can see we have several IPs here listed, IPs and also ports listed. So you can see right now Wine server. So the Wine server service has multiple ports here attached. And yeah, everything went fine and the service running. So now we can configure the server in game. So we will switch now to the game. Click on Manage Server. Now you can connect to the server's IP. If you're connected locally, you can just type the internal IP, connect. Then you can set a password. So you can just set a password to anything, but remember it carefully. Confirm, or you have to make it a little bit longer. Then the next step is you can change your password. So the password the people who want to connect to your server have to type in. So type something they can also know. Then confirm it. And then you can just hit new game. Enter session name. So for now it's just testing. And we can just hit start game. Then on server side we will switch back. We can just append again to the StarRupture tmux screen. And you can see here the game session B was successful. If you can see that, the game server should run right now. You have to do it on every startup. You have to configure the server and then you have to hit load game instead of a new game. And then you can just go back to the main menu, hit join and click on dedicated server. Now you can't type the local IP, it won't connect. You can't type the local IP even if the ports are correct and everything. You have to connect via the external IP you have. So just the public IP here you have to connect to and your password you entered for the users to join. Thank you and have a nice day.